Wait, look at this. My comb is literally sliding through my fussy hair. And guys, I didn't use conditioner. This is just seeds, flax seeds. If you struggle with dry, tangled, fussy hair, this homemade flaxseed gel might actually change your wash day. Let me show you how I make it. I start by measuring my flax seeds and then I put them in the sufuria, just a little bit more, whatever you feel is comfortable. Then I put in 2 cups of water. You can add more. I didn't want mine to be too less thick. I wanted it to be thick. Then we put that on fire. Cook on medium heat and keep stirring because flax seeds have anger issues. If you leave them for 2 seconds, they start overflowing like they're mad at you. You will notice it getting thicker. That's the natural gel forming. That's what gives us the detangling slip later. So for texture check, you can just put a spoon there and just check if it is coming out perfectly. And then we let that cool. Don't let it get too cold though, because it might be hard to sieve. Look at how it's already becoming slimy and slimy. So we'll not let it fully cool down. It's time to sieve our mixture. So we'll put that cloth on top of a clean bowl and then we start sieving. I prefer using a cloth instead of a sieving strainer rather, so that I can fully get out everything that I want from this gel. So you start sieving like that, you squeeze out with your hands. Look at that. It's already showing the slip, 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 slip. Yes. It's already looking so good. Trust me, even using this on your hair will just give you the same results, the same slip that you can see here. The process is simple. Put in the flaxseed gel, squeeze everything out, and then you're getting your gel. As simple as that, ensuring that this is not fully dry. And that is the flax seeds that we got from this whole mixture, the seeds that were left over, and then now we transfer to an applicator bottle. Mine is just an homemade applicator bottle. You will later realize that this bottle, I poked holes on it so that it can become very easy to apply on my hair. All right, guys. So before we test this on my hair, if you love easy, affordable DIYs for your hair, please like this. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss the next one. All right. So this is my hair right now. I undid my hair and then detangled that hair. You do the finger detangling. Always, guys, do the finger detangling. And then after that, we will section my hair into 4 parts so that it's very easy. I love always, whenever I'm working on my hair, to just do the 4 sections. Now, time for application. Please apply generously. Don't be stingy when you're applying this. We need more slip, which will make us have less friction, which will ensure that we have less breakage. That's the science. So we apply a generous amount. And look at that, guys. Look at how soft it is already starting to feel, I can tell you. And then the curls. that are forming on this hair. Oh my god, Fossey is just magic. It's beautiful. It's lovely, guys. Oh, and then we comb through. Look at that. My comb just sliding through. No pain, no snapping, no drama. That is why flaxseed gel is elite. I am already smiling. Yeah, I was loving and loving this. So, fun fact, did you know that flax seeds are rich in omega 3 and vitamin E? This helps moisturize your hair and support a healthy scalp. So this is ain't just about the slime, just us pumping through and looking at those curls. Oh my god. It's also a nutritious slime. You can see how easy it is to comb through. My curls are curling, guys. I can tell you I was very tempted. It's just that hadn't washed this hair. I was super tempted to have these curls remain in my hair for the rest of the week. But as usual, we'll have to wash this hair because it was not washed yet. All right, so we are on the third path and we are still applying. You apply on the roots, you apply on the tips, you apply to each strand. Ensure that every strand is getting this goodness. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love, love, love how it feels right now. If your hair is looking at you like this and wondering why are we not doing this, guys, you already know this gel is a winner. So please hit that like, subscribe, and comment flaxseed if you want more DIY receipts like this. Recipes. I've got a lot coming for you. Look at the comping. I am comping. I am feeling it sliding. Oh my god. Why do you need to buy conditioners when this has such sleep? Flaxseed for me is a winner, you know? And so then I am doing the second and the final coating and just ensuring that every strand is getting this goodness and then combing through. Combing, the curls are curling, defined, soft, shiny like hello from seeds. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is the hair that comes out of this after this. This is just the only hair that came out. And yeah, so next I'm just going to cover this all with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes while that moisture sinks in. And that's it, guys. Soft, defined, happy, fussy hair. See you in the next time. Bye bye.